there's nothing to help. Watch me make it right, one by one.
Hey guys! Thomas, get out of the way. Ow! And Maddie. I'm here. Do you see me? Anyway, I'm Thomas. I'm Buttercup. And I'm Maddie. And today we're going to be looking at fidgets.
So first we have the monkey noodle.
Ow, Thomas, what? Ow! I don't like that. But it's kind of fun. Whoa!
It can stretch around the world like 3 times.
I don't think so. Ow!
That hurt.
Oh yeah? Now you have to pop it.
That's weird. This is so much fun. Look, wee.
Thomas, but yeah, we just pop this one like this. Easy, Maddie. Ooh, pop. Well, everyone move, just my...
I suck at this. 1, 2, 3. I did it, go me. Wow. Now we have our trimple dimple.
Triple, not trimple.
Oh. But look, we press this, and then boom.
Oh, I'll do green. Maddie, you do orange. Okay. It's a little bit difficult at times. Oh, there we go. Woo! That one's my favorite.
Baby shark doo doo doo.
Oh no, not that.
Well, it's really cool. It's an Orbeez. Whoa.
That wasn't funny. Now we have this giant cake squishy that Maddie is just
Hanging out on.
I like it. It's fun.
And we can use it as a trampoline. Wow.
Thomas, you need to calm down. But yeah, this is... Whoa, it's like a slide. Whee! This Nito is my new chair. Maddie, look at these adorable pet mochis that I stole. I mean, adopted. Oh, did you fall?
Nope.
Look out. Ow! Thomas, you almost killed my pets.
Oh, sorry. Where did you get those?
I bought them.
Because they were just reporting 2 of them being stolen by some deer wearing a pink bow.
Really? That's crazy.
Okay, we need to end this. So thanks for watching our fidget video.
Be sure to like, subscribe, comment if you can. And we'll see you later. Bye. Woo!
It is mine.
Wait for me.